Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to go through an overview of the University of New South Wales Medical School. And make sure to stick to the end to see all the key details you need to know. I'm Melvin from MedicMind, a second year medical student from Monash University. And if you're interested in medicine and getting into medical school, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the MedicMind YouTube channel. To study at the University of New South Wales, or UNSW, if you're a school leaver, the most direct route is via the Bachelor of Medical Science. University of New South Wales also offers a graduate entry program, the Doctor of Medicine program, BMed MD. The program is designed to prepare students for the contemporary challenges of medical practice. Students learn through a scenario-based learning, innovative teaching, and clinical placements. The course is taught at Kensington, Port Macquarie, and Wagga Wagga. As part of your application, students can apply to one or multiple campuses. The University of New South Wales is ranked as one of the world's top 50 medical faculties. Why study medical studies or Doctor of Medicine at UNSW? First is the early exposure to medical practice and skills. Clinical and communication skills training begins in phase 1 of the degree. Next is the placement opportunities. Clinical training takes place in some of Australia's largest metropolitan hospitals. These include hospitals in Randwick, Farfield, Bankstown, Caringbah, Liverpool, and Kagara. Graduates from UNSW have a variety of career pathways following graduation. The rural hospital placements contrast those in larger hospitals. There's also the modern facilities. Students study at the Sydney Health Precinct. Their facilities are a hub for medical education, research, and training. Moreover, the university has access to advanced exercise physiology suites and interactive teaching spaces. There's also the research opportunities. Students develop skills to become medical research professionals to prepare them for a lifelong learning in medicine. During the 4th year of study, students will complete an independent learning project focusing on a topic of their choosing. Alternatively, students can conduct an honours year. Moving on to the program approach. The program is split into 3 main phases. An integrated approach is taken involving scenario-based learning in biomedical, clinical, and social sciences. Progressing through the degree, clinical exposure increases. There's also the opportunity to work rurally. The university selects a small number of students to work at the Port Macquarie or Wagga Wagga rural campuses. Let's talk about the selection criteria at the University of New South Wales. UNSW is a competitive university. Their medicine degree receives on average 3,500 applicants, offering only 189 domestic student places. 3 student criteria are used when assessing students: academic ranking, UCAT overall score, and the interview score. The University of New South Wales offers an undergraduate and graduate entry program. The programs are meant to prepare students for today's medical issues. Scenario-based learning, innovative teaching, and clinical experiences help students learn. What is the University of New South Wales medicine ranking? According to the QS Top University Rankings 2022, the University of New South Wales UNSW Medical School is placed 4th amongst Australian medical schools. According to QS Top Universities Rankings 2022 by subject, UNSW Medicine is placed 43rd amongst medical schools worldwide. What are the University of New South Wales medicine entry requirements? Students are chosen for admission to the University of New South Wales medicine degree on the following criteria: an ATAR of 96 or higher, or an IB of 38, the overall score of the cognitive sections of the exam, the UCAT. There is no such thing as a minimum UCAT ANZ score. In addition, there's also the performance in the UNSW interview, which is a semi-structured panel interview. How many international students are in the University of New South Wales? The University of New South Wales has a diverse community of over 20,000 international students from 135 countries. What is the University of New South Wales grading scale? The University of New South Wales uses a grading system where HD, high distinction, is 85 to 100 or A+, D, or distinction, is 75 to 84.99 or an A, and the rest is for credit marks. When was the University of New South Wales founded? UNSW is a university in Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. It is one of Australia's most prestigious universities. It was established in 1949. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you learned a thing or two about the University of New South Wales Medical School. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Make sure to like the video and share this with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Medic Mind YouTube channel to never miss a video.